Welcome to English Evolution, Step 1. Today, we begin with something deeper than grammar. We begin with growth. Because learning a language is not just about words, it's about becoming stronger, wiser, and more in control of your life. So take a breath, open your heart, and let these words guide you. Your tongue is your first enemy. Not people, not life, not circumstances. Before anyone can hurt you, your words already can. A single sentence can destroy years. That is why you must learn to hold it tightly. Words escape easily. They leave your mouth faster than your mind can stop them. And once spoken, they cannot be chased. They cannot be erased. They live in memories. Anger loves the tongue. When emotions rise, control disappears. You say things you don't mean. You reveal thoughts you should have kept. And later, you regret. Silence is not weakness. Silence is discipline. It takes strength to stay quiet when you want to explode. The strongest people master this. Many battles are created by words. Many enemies were created by the tongue. Many regrets were spoken into existence. Silence would have saved you. Not every insult needs an answer. Not every comment needs your attention. When you respond to everything, you give power away. Sometimes walking away is winning. Your tongue reveals your character. Before people know you, they hear you. Your words show your discipline or your weakness. Speak less and your life becomes safer. Speak too much and your secrets become weapons. Not everyone wants you to win. Protect your plans with silence. People respect those who speak little but wisely. Noise fades. Wisdom stays. Silence adds weight to your words. Before you speak, ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it helpful? If not, hold your tongue. This pause can change your life. One sentence can ruin trust. One joke can close doors. One moment of speech can destroy opportunities. Words carry consequences. Disciplined people don't explain everything. They don't react to everything. They move quietly, they build silently, and they succeed without noise. If you can control your tongue, you can control your emotions. If you control your emotions, you control your actions. And if you control your actions, you control your future. Silence today protects your tomorrow. It protects your goals, your relationships, your peace. Not everything needs to be said. Your tongue is your first enemy. Train it, discipline it, hold it tightly, because silence is not empty. Silence is power. Don't look back. Not because your past doesn't matter, but because it's already done. What happened before this moment is already written. You can't rewrite it, but you can choose what the next chapter says. There was a time when you didn't know better, when fear made your choices, when you stayed too long in places that hurt. You made mistakes. You trusted the wrong people. You lost yourself for a while. But you're still here, and that means something. You replay the moments, the words you didn't say, the ones you wish you could take back. You wonder what could have been. You ask, what if, again and again. But nothing grows there, only regret. Your past is not a home. It's a classroom. It taught you. It shaped you. But it's not where you belong anymore. You don't live there. You learn from there. You are not late. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are becoming, and becoming takes time. Every step forward requires courage. Fear will walk beside you. Doubt will whisper. But fear is not a stop sign. It's a signal that you're stepping into growth. The life you want is not behind you. It's ahead, in the unknown, in the risks you haven't taken, in the version of you you haven't met yet. If you wait for the perfect moment, you'll wait forever. Start now. Start messy. Start scared. But start. You don't need confidence. Confidence comes after. You don't need clarity. Clarity comes from doing. Start scared. Start unsure. Start anyway. That's how brave people begin. One day, the pain of staying will outweigh the fear of leaving, and that's when everything changes. Let go. Not because it's easy, but because it's heavy. You are allowed to move on. You are allowed to choose peace. Some chapters don't end with closure, but peace doesn't need permission. You can move forward without all the answers. You don't need the whole plan. You just need one step. Send the message. Take the walk. Make the call. Begin. Your past tried to break you, but it didn't. You are still here, still breathing, still trying. That means something. That means everything. Don't look back to see who you were. Look forward to decide who you'll become. Don't look back. Move forward. Start scared. Keep going. You're not done yet. This is just the beginning. You've taken your first step, not just in English, but in becoming the person you were always meant to be. Remember, your words have power. Your past does not define you, and your future is waiting for you to rise. So speak with care, move with courage, and never stop evolving. This is English Evolution. Step 1 complete. Let's keep going.